teaching method of this class is based on like kind of 3 pillars. So we are conducting lectures in the big auditoriums with the students. And then we have a strong practical component to this class as well, where on one hand the students are doing what we call the bio-intensive vegetable challenge. So the idea is that they spend 5 sessions in a greenhouse, in a wonderful greenhouse. And basically the idea is really to reflect and critically examine agricultural management practices in different contexts. And we dive constantly to different types of case studies that are emerging from our own research in the Sustainable Agroecosystem Group. And then on top of it, at the end of the semester, we like to organize farm visit, where then the students not only they can see what is actually done in reality, but also be able to exchange with other practitioners like farmers and other food system stakeholders, basically.